An ecosystem is a complex interacting system of options, individuals, population, communities and their physical environment, communities and their soil conditions. The correct option is C, communities and their physical environment, because ecosystem is a structural and functional unit of biosphere consisting of community of living organisms and their physical environment, both interacting and exchanging materials between them. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Rice field, forest, grassland, lake. The correct option is A, rice field. Artificial ecosystem is a man-made ecosystem. Example, cropland, orchid, urban ecosystems. These all are natural ecosystems. Which of the following is not a biotic component? Phytoplankton, herbivorous, light, bacteria. Correct option is light. Light is an abiotic component of an ecosystem. Therefore, light is not a biotic component. Which of the following ecosystem has the highest gross primary productivity? Grassland, coral reefs, desert, both A and B. The correct option is B, coral reefs. Coral reef is the area of maximum productivity and diversity. That is, every group of marine algae and every phylum is represented here. Therefore, coral reef has the maximum gross primary productivity. What energy percentage can be captured by the organisms of next trophic level? The correct option is D, 10%. Lindemann gave the law of 10% of energy flow. That is, only 10% of total energy received by one trophic level is transferred to next trophic level. Ecological pyramids are of 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. There are 3 types of ecological pyramids. They are pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Correct option is B, 3 types. The pyramid of number in a grassland ecosystem is always erect, always inverted, either erect or inverted, irregular. In a grassland food chain, the number of individuals decrease at successive higher levels. So the correct option is A, always erect. In a food chain, the total amount of living material is depicted by pyramid of energy, pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, all of these. Correct option is C, pyramid of numbers. The total dry weight of all living organisms in a certain area is called biomass. First link in any food chain is a green plant because options: green plants can synthesize food, they can eat everything, fixed at one place, none of these. The correct option is A. Green plants can synthesize food. Green plants are called producers because they can synthesize food material in presence of light, so they are autotrophs. A wolf has first eaten a lamb. When tiger saw the wolf, it attacked and consumed it. The tiger in ecological term is options: a producer, a primary consumer, a secondary consumer, a tertiary consumer. Grass is the producer. Lamb is a primary consumer. Wolf is secondary consumer. Then tiger is a tertiary consumer. So the tiger is a tertiary consumer. Option is D. With regard to ecological food chain, man is a producer, consumer, both producer and consumer, both producer and decomposer. Man is a consumer because man cannot produce food himself and he depends on plants which are producers for food. So the correct option is B, consumer. The trophic level of 8 bacteria, S bacteria and cyanobacteria is options: producer, consumer, saprophytic decomposer and primary decomposer. S bacteria is chemosynthetic bacteria and cyanobacteria is a group of photosynthetic protist. They can synthesize their own food material. So the correct option is A, producer. Biogeochemical cycles are of 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. The biogeochemical cycles are classified into 2 types, namely gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycles. So the correct option is 2 types. The reservoir pool of carbon is options: air and water, fossil fuels, rock, all of these. Carbon is present in the abiotic environment. It is present in the form of CO2 in air or atmosphere, dissolved CO2 or carbonic acid, and biocarbonates in water or hydrosphere. Carbonates and graphite in rocks. So the correct option is D, all of this. Animals obtain all their carbon through plants, soil, air, water. Plants fix atmospheric carbon through photosynthesis. So therefore, the correct option is A, plants. The largest ecosystem of the world is grassland, Great Lake, ocean, forest. Correct option is ocean because it has the largest flora and fauna, hence it represents the largest ecosystem of the world. If bamboo plant is growing in a far forest, then what will be its trophic level? Bamboo is a plant which can produce its own food. It occupies first trophic level. Which is a degradable pollutant? DDT, aluminium foil, domestic waste, mercury salt. Domestic waste are mainly made up of degradable organic compounds, so the correct option is C, domestic waste. Which of the following is normally not an atmospheric pollutant? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons. Because the correct option is carbon dioxide because carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis in plants and non-harmful to human beings. In excess amount, it can cause pollution. Taj Mahal threatened due to the effect of sulfur dioxide. SO2 is emitted by the Mathura refinery corrodes the Taj Mahal. Which of the following diseases is not caused by polluted water? Options: cholera, pneumonia, jaundice, dysentery. The correct option is B, pneumonia. It is a gases referred to as greenhouse gases are options: CO2, O2, NO2, NH3, chlorofluorocarbons CO2, NH3, N2, CH4, N2, CO2, NH3, chlorofluorocarbons CO2, CH4, N2. The correct option is D, chlorofluorocarbons CO2, NH4, N2O. These gases are caused by global warming of atmosphere, which is called greenhouse effect, and these gases are known as greenhouse gases. Ozone formed in the dash is considered as bad ozone. The correct option is troposphere, as in stratosphere this is good ozone. Here no ozone layers are found. So the correct option is B. Result of ozone hole is greenhouse effect, global warming, acid rain, increased UV radiation. Ozone protects the earth by cutting off excess of ultraviolet rays, which are commonly known as UV rays, and their radiation. Depletion of ozone layer increases UV radiation. So the correct option is D, increased in UV radiation. In which city polyblend was first used for the first time? Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata. The correct option is C, Bangalore. It was used in the development of roads. Which of the following country is responsible for releasing largest amount of greenhouse gases? Options: Russia, Germany, Brazil, America. Correct option is D, America, because USA is the largest consumer of fuel. So the correct option is D. Various atmospheric airborne pollutants may cause option pneumonia, diarrhea, respiratory diseases or allergies. Chlorella. Airborne pollutant enter via the respiratory tracts in humans and cause respiratory diseases and allergies on the skin. So the correct option is C, respiratory diseases and allergies. Examples of regional pollution are acid rain, smog, both A and B, none of these. The correct option is C, both A and B.